In our Focus on Fashion morning, high heels. Yes, they look great, but how long can you actually wear them? Well, now shoe designers are beginning to cater to busy women who don't want to sacrifice comfort for style. Dr. Suzanne Levine is a New York podiatrist whose own shoe collection even includes, get this, stilettos? Are you serious? And she's going to prove that pretty feet can be healthy feet as well. Good morning to you, Susan.
Good morning.
Good to see you. And we're so glad to be doing this topic because this affects so many women.
No question about it.
We're supposed to wear the high heel shoes.
Well, I love high heel shoes.
Yes.
And many of my patients love high heel shoes.
They're not always comfortable.
No, but we have a fabulous selection here, and I guess we'll quickly go through it.
And
I know
show
you want to
what
try
it is. Okay, so we're going to start with daytime shoes.
Yes, the aerosol, they're very soft. Look at the round-toed. This is actually very, if you have a wide forefoot, you have bunions or hammer toes, and you don't want to have surgery, these are terrific. There's lots of cushioning in it, and it feels wonderful. Now, this is really interesting. This is by Easy Spirit. Look at the Croc, the imitation Croc. I'm wearing a pair. I have to tell you, I wear them 8 hours a day, and they feel wonderful on the foot.
So this expands.
And expands. They're called the Smart Shoe. And what makes it so special is that you can wear them and you don't get the burn under the ball of the foot.
Oh yeah, we've all felt
We've
that,
all
haven't
felt
we?
that. Okay.
Now this one is by Neo Paella.
Yes.
You pronounced it right.
Okay.
Now I'm going to actually try this one on.
This
and
is
you know what? Don't get a tight shot of my
Okay.
foot here, because you know why? I have a Band-Aid I toe. Surprise, surprise.
Oh, you come see me.
I know, because you know we all suffer to...
Now that's a sexy looking shoe. See how your toes are exposed and they heel, and it's lots of cushioning and it expands. It really looks great. The suede gives, and so that's a terrific shoe.
This
and
feels
you
pretty
could probably wear this 6 to 8 hours a day.
And not feel any pain.
A day to evening shoe.
Okay.
Right.
What about this one here?
Well, this is the natural. It has a lot of cushioning. There again, the rounded toe, expandable. Look at the heel. And that's greater surface area, less chance of lateral ankle sprain. So these are really neat shoes, day to evening.
You also brought along what's called a fashion plate, and
Yes.
this is actually orthotics, right?
Right. These are custom-made insoles that we make in the office to fit in high heel shoes, so that if you really have a lack of fat under the ball of the foot, this really cushions it, and it's terrific.
All right, let's move back to the boots here.
Sure.
Because, of course, we're coming into the fall and winter season. Boots are very popular.
These are terrific. These are the Terran Rose. Now, you know, if you have a wide calf, like many women do, they cannot fit into those boots.
Hello?
You go to the store and you're trying to put on the boots. Okay. This has expandable material here, yet it has the leather front, round, and it really feels terrific.
This was actually a podiatrist herself who started her own company.
Exactly.
So she knows what she's talking about, too.
She's really, really good. They're very expensive, but probably worth it.
Okay.
Okay. Next, this is the coat. What this is engineering. They use the engineering of a Nike Air insert and put into a boot. Can you believe that?
I have some of these shoes, actually. They do work.
Yes, and they feel terrific. So these two are in the area of $200, $200, and they're terrific. They're wonderful.
And these boots are by Natural as well?
Yes, these are actually aerosol. And these are very inexpensive. But if you want something kind of trendy that gives, that's comfortable and inexpensive, almost like throwaways, these are the kinds of shoes, you know, that are great to wear.
Okay.
Trendy outfit.
I want to move to nighttime because this is usually when we hear women complaining most, because we think of high heels, something that looks very sexy. So is it going to be comfortable?
Right. Well, let's start with this. This is the Stuart Weitzman. It has an ultra suede feel, this. And you know how many times your foot slips forward in a shoe?
Yes.
And this is terrific because it prevents your foot from slipping forward. And it really, really feels good.
Now, does it also cushion the ball of your foot at the same time?
It does. It cushions the ball of the foot, absolutely.
Now, these, I'm telling you, okay, how much is this? 4 inches?
Close to it. It's about 3.5, 4 inches.
And what's comfortable about this?
Well, I'll tell you what's comfortable about this. It has a rounded toe. It's so stylish and sexy. But you can put some of these inserts in it to make it through the evening in case you're dancing and, you know, you get that burning.
Now, you just put these in the bottom of the shoe or on your foot?
You put it on the bottom of the shoe and it actually cushions it. But what I like about this shoe, the reason I chose it is the rounded toe. And it feels terrific if you do have bunions or corns or hammer toes.
All right. Dr. Levine, we're going to have to wrap it up with that.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
But thank you so much. Women out there appreciate it. We'll be right back. And we're back with Dr. Levine because we have other shoes that we would like to talk about. They're comfortable, right? You promised, even though they're high heels.
I promise.
So let's move on to the Jimmy Choos.
Okay, now, are these sexy and gorgeous?
Well, of course, yes.
I mean, would you sacrifice wearing these?
You can ask the men that, right? Come on, guys. Are they sexy and gorgeous?
Those are awfully hot.
Hi, Doctor.
There's a high.
I got a little pain in my... Oh, we're on here.
How about this look good on you? Now, what makes this particularly special is that if you do a wider forefoot, this expands. You can feel that this material gives. I even have some more cushion under the ball of the foot.
You know
so
what?
a shoe, even as meat shoe, you know, making it
I hate to say they don't care about the comfort.
You know, it is interesting, but yeah.
Okay. But it makes the leg look very thin in the back and the ankle. And so,
If, Doctor, these shoes that break, do you call a tow truck?
Now these are interesting. These are naturalizer for women that have large feet, and that's a problem. A lot of my patients say they go into a department store and the shoes just don't fit. They're a size 9 to 11. These are terrific. Plus the
Like
ankle
Gretchen's,
strap.
like Gretchen.
No, I have 2 small feet. 7.
Plus the ankle strap makes the foot look much shorter. So, really give your foot a look.
I see.
So this is not a good look for somebody who has small feet.
Right. No, this is much better for large foot. It's really
Like a
terrific.
sausage. What?
No, I want to ask you, because you are doing surgery
said she
for
doesn't.
women to shorten their
Their
toes
toes.
to fit her into shoes, right?
Right, a
Oh,
lot
you're
of
doing-
Yes.
yeah,
My
yeah, we're
gosh.
doing a lot of plastic
Ooh.
surgery on the toes. But keep in mind, these toes are too long. So to wear any shoe, it makes it so difficult. It's not that painful.
We'll be right back.